Step 1. Get your wheels shot blasted. You should find a local firm that will do this. They normally charge between £60 to £80 for a set of 4 wheels, and it cleans them up much better than you could do it by hand. And if you've got any corrosion or loose flaking paint, strips it all off. Step 2, you have to jet wash them. Once the wheels are dry, set them up somewhere convenient to allow you to paint them and get all the way around. You'll have to do them in 2 halves, but that's okay. The first coat onto the wheels has got to be an etch primer, because you want it to really bite into the aluminium and get a good key. So just get a 1-pack etch primer. A litre would be plenty to do all the wheels, more than enough. Use the primer straight out of the tin. It doesn't need any thinning, it's ready to go. When painting the wheels, work your way around the insides first, making sure everything gets covered, and then do the outsides. Allow that to dry, and then flip the wheels over and do the other side. For most applications you want to use about 30 to 40 psi, which is ample for spraying. Once the wheels are fully primered, I've actually sprayed some regular grey primer over the top of the etch primer just to build it up a bit, because the shot blasting can leave the surface a little textured, and I like to fill that up as much as I can, get some of the roughness out. Now at this point you can sand them down with wet and dry, or you can just go ahead and paint straight over the top. In this case I'm just going to paint over the top. I haven't got time to flat them all back, and the finish is pretty good, so I'm quite happy with that. For the silver, I've got some in aerosol this time because I find it's just as good. Some Halford's silver paint basically does the job, and we put clear lacquer over the top of that once it's on. After the silver, we applied a coat of clear 2-pack lacquer to seal in the finish and left them in the sun to harden off.